Hello WordPress nerds. So in this video we are going to talk about a remove admin menu page. So in this video we are going to remove a top level admin menu. So what is the use case? So for example, you have a third party plugin which adds some admin menu and you want to remove those pages to force particular users. In that case, you can remove that pages from your plugin. You cannot go into the third party plugin and add some conditions, but you can remove that from your custom plugin. So before jumping into the code, let me show you. This is my local WordPress site and this is my custom plugin. All my previous video I demonstrate code in my custom plugin only. So what is admin menu? So here in the left sidebar, whatever you see is called admin menu, and whatever it is on the first level it is called top menu, and you see this it is called sub menu. So in this video we are going to talk about to remove only top menu. And if you don't know how to add custom admin menu, I have already created this video inside my playlist called Let's Learn WordPress, which is tutorial number 16. So now let's try to remove some top level menu. For example, I don't want this tools menu on my site. So for that we have to use this function called remove menu page. And how to use this function? So for that I'm going to open my custom plugin. So this is my local WordPress repo. So I'm going to WP content plugins, my plugin. So this is my custom plugin which I showed over here. So inside my plugin includes, as this is admin related stuff, so I'm gonna open admin.php and in the bottom let's try to add action called admin init. So we have to use the function in using this action BWP remove admin menu. Now inside this function we will use this function called remove menu page, and inside this function we will need menu slug. So how to get menu slug? So for example, tools dot for this page, if we look into the very end of the URL, we have tools.php. So this is going to be our slug. So I will add this over here, and now let's refresh this page again and keep looking at tools. So as you can see, tools page is gone now. But let's say we want to remove any third party plugins menu. So for that, let's activate BuntyWP. Now BuddyPress is activated. Sorry. Now let's say we don't want activity page over here. So let's see the slug of the activity page. And you see over here like admin.php and then page equal to bp activity. So what should we use in this case? So in this case we should use whatever page is equal to. So in this case our slug will be bp activity. So let's remove activity page, copy this and paste it over here, and now keep looking at activity. So as you can see, activity is gone now. So this is how you can remove top level menu page. In the next video we will be uh, showing uh, remove sub menu page. So this is how it works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.